Now maybe you know your center and maybe you know some other point on there, but maybe they're not perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. Since we know the center, we know our equation is going to be in the form x minus 2 squared, because the center is a positive 2x value, plus y minus 5 squared, because the positive 5y value of the center. So all we need to do is figure out what that radius value is. But since every single point on a circle is a fixed distance away from that center, all I need to do is figure out the distance between those 2 points. And that is just using the distance formula. But don't freak out if you don't remember the distance formula. All the distance formula really is an application of a right triangle. We just need to figure out what is that purple length and what is that black length, and then we are just going to do some Pythag. So how am I going to find that purple length? Well, I need to take the difference of my x values. So I'm going from 2 to 6. And so 6 minus 2 gives me a length of 4 for that horizontal distance. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my vertical distance. What's the change in my y values? I'm going from 5 up to 7, so 7 minus 5 is going to give me 2 as that vertical distance. So I want to find that radius value, that r value, so I can just Pythag it at this point. So 4 squared plus 2 squared has to equal that r squared. And now I just need to simplify and solve for r. So 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4, so 16 plus 4 equals r squared. So 20 equals r squared. Now, all I have to do then is write that down. Because remember, the equation goes x squared plus y squared equals r squared, just like Pythag. So x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 20. 20 is r squared. You don't have to write it in terms of something squared. It is r squared. 20 is r squared, so we get our circle just by using distance formula.